Today's question is from GATE 2021, and the question is wind rose is a representation of meteorological conditions. Which of the following is or are included in this representation? Mixing height, wind speed, wind direction, and percentage of time. Okay, so basically, the wind rose is nothing but a circular diagram used in meteorology to visually summarize the wind pattern, okay, at a specific location. ठीक है, it's simply used to represent the or you can visually represent the wind pattern in a specific location over time. It primarily includes wind direction, and you can say uh, it primarily includes wind direction, जो show करता है कि the prevailing winds via compass sectors and wind speed also. Okay, and the third one is it displays the percentage of time winds blow from each direction, helping analyzing frequency and distribution. It generally it does not include mixing height, uh, which pertains to atmospheric dispersion rather than the wind pattern. So in general, this wind rose diagram is mm, a representation of it includes wind speed, wind direction, and percentage of time. So the correct answer are B, C, and D. Okay. Next question is from GATE 2025, and this question is uh, you have to consider the following statement and find out the correct option. The option are, the statements are: environmental pollutants concentration is generally modeled using uh, log normal distribution. Next one is environmental pollutant concentration is generally modeled using Poisson distribution. The weekly rate of the exceedance uh, of environmental pollutant concentration with regard to the given standard is generally modeled using log normal distribution, and the weekly rate of the exceedance of environmental pollutant concentration with regards to a given standard is generally modeled using Poisson distribution. You have to find out the correct answer. 1 and 4 are correct, 1 is correct and third is incorrect, and next option are 2 and 4 are correct and 2 and third and 4 are incorrect. Okay, 2 and 4 are incorrect. Now let's try to understand. Let's understand this first statement, which says environmental pollutant concentration is generally modeled using log normal distribution. ठीक है, it is a true because these values are always, you can say, they are simply always positive and skewed. So this is a true statement. Okay, ठीक. So next one is, let's consider second. ये आपका false statement है. ठीक है, why? Because जो Poisson distribution होता है ना, it is used to count data. Okay, not continuous pollutant concentration. Okay, so it is incorrect. ठीक. Third one is the weekly rate of exceedance of environment pollutants. It also incorrect because it means the rate of exceedance का simple meaning होता है कि how often the population exceeds a threshold. ठीक, और it is not modeled using log normal distribution. So ये भी आपका incorrect है. ठीक, और last one is the weekly rate of exceedance. It means the how often population is exceeding a threshold is depend on Poisson distribution. This is true because exceedance rates are count based event over time. So ये दो true है. ठीक है, लेकिन इतने से ही देखो कितना अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये. दो आपको पता है दोनों ट्रू हैं, बट द ऑप्शंस आर, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि 1 हमारा ट्रू हो गया, 4th हमारा ट्रू हो गया. 1 and 4 दोनों ट्रू हो गए, लेकिन सेकंड एंड थर्ड दोनों इनकरेक्ट हैं. ठीक, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ऑप्शन ए हमारा करेक्ट हो गया 1 और 4, और दूसरा ये भी ट्रू हो गया, क्यों, 1 इज़ करेक्ट एंड 2 इज़ इनकरेक्ट, ये भी ट्रू हो गया। इसका मतलब ए और बी इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो गया। ठीक है, ये कह रहा है थर्ड, सेकंड एंड 4 ये दोनों इनकरेक्ट हैं, इसमें से ये करेक्ट था, ये इनकरेक्ट था, तो ये भी रॉन्ग हो गया, तो 2 आंसर हमारे सही हो गए। ठीक, अब जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दैट इज अगेन फ्रॉम गेट 2025 एंड इट टॉक्स अबाउट स्टबल बर्निंग। ठीक, the question says the stubble burning results in release of particulate matter, volatile VOCs, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, to name a few. A researcher is planning to use the conventional Gaussian dispersion model to estimate the contribution of stubble burning in a nearly state to air pollution in New Delhi. Okay, you have to choose the option which could explain the possible limitations in this approach. Assumption of steady state conditions, like example constant wind speed, wind direction and emissions etc in conventional Gaussian dispersion model. Non accounting of wet and dry deposition in conventional Gaussian model, and non handling of chemical transformation of pollutant. Okay, and last one is requirement of the computational resources by conventional Gaussian dispersion model कंपेयर टू केमिकल ट्रांसपोर्ट मॉडल। तो हमको बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इसके साथ जाएगा। ठीक, तो देखो जो पहला स्टेटमेंट है ये क्या कह रहा है, एजम्पशन ऑफ, ये स्टेडी स्टेट कंडीशन को ले रहा है। ठीक, इट सिंपली मीन्स कि दे आर सिंपली एज्यूमिंग स्टेडी स्टेट कंडीशंस लाइक कांस्टेंट विंड और एमिशन रेट, ये ले रहे हैं। ओके, विंड डायरेक्शन भी इसमें इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं। ठीक, विच इज़ अनरियलिस्टिक फॉर डायनेमिक इवेंट लाइक स्टबल बर्निंग। तो ये अपने आप में दिस शोज द लिमिटेशन। ठीक, इसकी लिमिटेशन हो गई है जो गॉसियन डिस्पर्सन मॉडल की हो गई, तो इसलिए ए विल ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन आंसर। बी को समझते हैं, बी क्या कह रहा है, नॉन अकाउंटिंग ऑफ वेट एंड ड्राई डिपोजिशन। ठीक, इट इज़ ऑल्सो ट्रू बिकॉज दे टिपिकली इग्नोर वेट एंड ड्राई डिपोजिशन विच इफेक्ट्स हाउ पॉल्यूटेंट्स सेटल आउट ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर, बिकॉज डिफरेंट कंडीशंस में वो डिफरेंट तरीके से सेट आउट होगा, इसलिए दिस इज ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ दिस वन। लास्ट वन इज नॉन हैंडलिंग ऑफ chemical transformation of pollutants. Okay, this is also true. This is also a limitation of this method because they don't account for the chemical transformation. ठीक, वो नहीं ले रहे ना, they are non handling. ठीक, okay, and which may leads to inaccurate pollutant estimate. So this is also a limitation. Where it comes to the last one, requirement of the model computation resources, actually जो Gaussian models हैं they are less computationally intensive than the chemical जो transport models होते हैं। ठीक, तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, तो A, B and C हैं, they are the valid, you can say they are the valid limitations. Okay, so this will be your answer.